Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. This one was rotisserie restored. Looking at the paint, it looks gorgeous. Lines look straight. It has the 383 Magnum, which is this one's numbers matching as well. Absolutely gorgeous car. The white vinyl top looks great. I love this green. It screams like late 60s, 70s to me. And as I'm walking around, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on notifications. And then when we're done with the virtual test drive, go over to volocars.com. Jay has a whole write-up on this. We have 100 or so extra pictures of this and all the other cars we sell. And you can see the price too. And then when you're done, go ahead and give sales a call. Now, these virtual test drives are mainly for the people that are wanting to buy a car from us and they want a little more information. We used to do individual walk-around videos every now and then, but we figured this way it gives car enthusiasts something to look at, which is a plus, but mainly the people that want to buy the car, it helps make their decision a lot easier. All right, let's get in. Door opens and shuts with ease. The seat's real comfortable. So I don't know when this was completely restored, but everything looks pretty much new. Like I'm trying to find anything wrong with the headliner. No tears, no sagging. It's really tight. I like that. And I work in the shop here, so this is our first time one of us gets to drive it around. So I usually do these in the afternoon for a couple hours after working the shop, and then I get to go back and say, hey, here's what feels right about this, here's what doesn't, here's what we need to look for. So we're experiencing this for the first time. All right, so let's start it up. Starts right up. All right, you have your speedometer, tachometer. I know the speedometer works on the way down, same with the tachometer. Fuel gauge is reading pretty low, but we don't need a lot of gas. You have your engine temp, battery, oil pressure, and it has a clock, but hey, looks like the clock's working. It just needs a little bit of movement there. That's a bonus. And it has an updated JVC radio.
Boost your health.
Which works. And I love the pistol grip. The pistol grip is just the best feeling shifter for me. I don't know. I'm sure other people feel the same way. All right, well, I can't wait. Let's get this out on the road. So we start out with just kind of getting used to how it drives. We stay on the little city streets right here, and then later in the video I get on it, so we actually get to hear that 383, what she does. Shift super easy, drive straight. Real responsive steering. This car is just beautiful and it actually runs right. Sometimes people try to sell us their car and it looks okay on the outside, then once you get inside, it's just, you just tell when it isn't built right. This one, the clutch has just the right amount of pressure. Bumpy roads, I'm not hearing any rattling. Little creaks right there, but I think that's just pretty much every car. Feels solid. Glass looks really great too. Also, oh, jumped over to third. Let's see if I can get back in first. get on her a little. All right, let's see what happens. I missed the second. I'll be better on the second pass. Get used to it. Still picks up great. I was going, what, about 25 through it into fourth? See if I can do it a little better this time. Not making that turn. See if I can do it better this time. Oh, I keep missing. Oh, that gets up and goes. So I slipped it a little bit, but overall you get the feeling of it. An awesome car to drive. Definitely had a smile on my face the whole time. So like I said, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com. This is a beautiful car that actually runs really great, so it'll probably be selling quick. So yeah, as always, appreciate you.